This is also a modified IIT JEE advanced problem. When an uncharged capacitor is charged by a cell means the battery only, half the work done by the cell is dissipated as heat. Only the other half energy is stored in the capacitor. But this IIT question under discussion involves charging of an already charged capacitor, whereby the concept to be used is initial energy of the capacitor plus work done by the cell equals final energy of the capacitor plus heat dissipated in the circuit. This comes as part of energy conservation. So, initial energy of capacitor plus work done by cell equals final energy of the capacitor plus heat dissipated in the circuit. That is the idea. The formula involved are, first, energy in this capacitor is half CV square. That is the general energy formula for capacitors. Work done by the cell is equal to voltage or EMF times charge flown through the cell. So that is work done formula also we are using. So you follow the solutions based on these ideas. Okay, now this is the what we just discussed is the last question for this episode 1. So next in episode 2 onwards, we will emphasize mechanics topics. Mechanics topics will be given priority in the next few episodes before we get on to the other branches.